Having learnt the conjugation of various verbs in the present tense, now we are going to learn le futur, the future tense. The future tense. Just like the present tense, the future tense also we need to learn some endings. For example, for the ER verbs, the endings are, you have to write the ER verb as it is, followed by AI, AS, A, ONS, EZ, ONT and ONT. So, in the present tense, do you remember the endings for the ER verb? Yes, I hope you remember it. Now, you have to remember for the future tense, these are the endings. You don't have to memorize them. We'll see its use in the verbs and then you will be able to learn it automatically. Now, for example, let us take an ER verb, regarder. Regarder. It means to watch. To watch. It is an ER verb. First group verb. ER verb. So, how do we write the ER verb in the future? So, for je, you have to write the verb as such, regard, AI, regarderai, je regarderai. It means I will watch. It is in the future. I will watch. Je regarderai. So, how did we write the future tense? We wrote the verb as it is in the infinitive, followed by the endings. For je, the ending is AI. For tu, it is AS. So you write the infinitive. Here it is called the stem and the ending. Okay. So the stem followed by AS. Tu regardera. Tu regardera. It means you will watch. So it is very simple, just like your present tense. For the ER verbs, this is the rule. You would write the stem followed by AI for je, AS for tu. For il, it is the stem plus A. Regardera. So the ending here is A. And what does this mean? It means he will watch. He will watch. And next one for L. For L also it's the same ending. So L regardera. What does it mean? She will watch. So how did we write this? We wrote the stem followed by the endings. AI for je, AS for tu, A for il and A for L. Shall we move on to the next 4 subject pronouns? For nu. For nu, again we write the stem, regarde, and the ending for nu is ONS. Nous regarderons. Nous regarderons. It means we will watch. Nous regarderons. For vous. Now, for vous also, we would write the infinitive followed by EZ. That is the ending for vous. Vous regarderez. And what does this mean? It means you will watch. You will watch. For il, again you would write the infinitive. And what was the ending? Do you remember? It is ONT. Il regardera. It means they will watch. And for L also, it is similar to L. It is Elles regarderont. It means they will watch. So now we have written the conjugation for the verb regarder in the futur, the future tense. So shall we write only in French once again the conjugation? Now you can try writing it along with me because you know the endings. So je, for tu, il, elle, nous, vous, il and elle. So what are the ending? You have to write the infinitive as it is. AI. For tu it is, yes, it is AS. For il it is A. For L also it is A. For nous it is ONS. For vous it is EZ. EZ. And for il it is ONT. For L also it is ONT. So I hope you have taken a note. These endings are common for all ER verbs, that is all verbs that end with ER except for aller. Aller verb also ends in ER but its conjugation is different. So all the first group words, that is all the ER verbs, have the same type of conjugation. So to write an ER verb, that is a verb ending in ER, to write it in the future tense, we would write the verb as it is in its infinitive form followed by endings. For je, AI, for tu, AS, for il, A, for elle, A, for nous, ONS, for vous, EZ, for il, ONT, and for L, ONT. So I hope you found it easy to learn the future tense for ER verbs.